Hey everybody, are you losing your minds yet? Well then grab your hoop. We've got to move our bodies, we've got to have some fun, and we've got to do some exercise. So this is going to be the first of what I hope to be a more or less daily hoop challenge for you. This is going to be song by song, like we do in class sometimes. We're going to do 5 songs, so that's 5 moves per day. And I'm going to do a quick demo for you of what today's hoop challenge songs are, or hoop challenge moves are. So we're going to start. First song, we are going to go up and down, hips to waist. Up and down for the duration of a song. Make sure that at some point you change the direction of the hoop. Second song, we are going to march in place. Try to bring those knees up really high. Try and bring your arms into it. Full song. Don't forget to reverse the direction of the hoop. Third song, we are going to knee hoop. Hoops around our knees. Please don't stand up, Sprocket. Knee hooping for 1 song, reverse the direction. Fourth song, we are going to try waist hooping while we're standing on tiptoes. Try and move your arms. And, as always, don't forget to reverse the direction of the hoop. Fifth song, final song for today, we're going to chest hoop. Working that hoop around your chest. And you're going to reverse that direction at some point. And when you are all done with these 5 moves, 5 songs, you're going to feel way better than you felt before. Guys, take good care of yourself. And more hoop challenges tomorrow.